Good afternoon, dear student. We would come to know about grammar topic. Let's start with grammar topic. Speech, statement, narration. Speech, statement and narration are same word, जिसकी हिंदी होती है कथन. There are two ways to any statement. किसी भी स्टेटमेंट का दो कथन होता है. फर्स्ट डायरेक्ट स्पीच, सेकंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. डायरेक्ट स्पीच मीन्स direct speech is a report. The speech of the exact words used by the speaker or writer. Contrast with indirect speech, also called direct dispatch. There are many top in direct speech. At first, we would come to know reporting speech. पर एक एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूं. रवि says, comma inverted comma, he has done his work. Ravi says रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच, इसको हम बोलते हैं रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. और जो कामा इन्वर्टेड कामा के अंदर रखा जाता है पार्ट, इसको बोलते हैं रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. There are many statements within reporting speech or reported speech. Reporting speech means the first part in the direct is called reporting speech. Reporting speech. And another reported speech means the second part of the sentence. Second part of the sentence, which is closed in inverted comma. Which is closed in inverted comma is called reported speech. Reporting verb. Reporting verb. Reporting verb after subject. After subject is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. Indirect speech. Now we would come to know about indirect speech. Indirect speech is a report on what someone else said or wrote without using that person's exact words, which is called indirect speech. It means that direct and indirect speech. When we report something using the exact words of the speaker, we use direct speech. When we report something in our own words, we use indirect speech. Remember the following. Remember the some points about direct speech. Note the point. Dear student, note the point. First point, the actual words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. Second point, the reported speech is separated from the reporting verb by a comma. Third point, the first word of reported speech begins with a capital letter. With a capital letter. In this way, remember some points about indirect speech. Point number 1, no inverted commas are used. No inverted commas are used. Second point, the reported speech is introduced by some conjunction such as that, if, what, why, etc. Third point, the reporting verb change according to tense. Fourth point, the tense of the reporting verb is never changed. Fifth point, the marks of punctuation other than full stop are removed. There is no sign of interrogation or punctuation mark. Sixth point, the reported speech is changed into assertive sentence. Example, Ravi says he has done his work. Ravi says there are two ways any statement. First, reporting speech. Second, reported speech. रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में सेज इंडिकेट करता है वर्ब. इंडिकेट किसको करता है? वर्ब. इसी का इनडायरेक्ट मैं एग्जांपल बना करके आप लोगों को दिखा रहा हूं. रवि सेज, कामा इन्वर्टेड कामा को रिमूव करने के लिए कंजंक्शन असर्टिव सेंटेंस में दैट यूज होता है. असर्टिव सेंटेंस में कंजंक्शन दैट यूज होता है. उसके आफ्टर ये ही थर्ड पर्सन, प्रोनाउन ऑफ थर्ड पर्सन. ही थर्ड पर्सन, इट कैन नॉट बी चेंज. ही हैज डन his work. There are many conditions to make indirect narration. First condition, if the reporting part is in present or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed. It means that यदि reporting part present or future tense में है, present or future tense में है, और reported part का sentence किसी भी tense में हो, तो it cannot be changed. यह परिवर्तन नहीं हो सकता है. मोबाइल में लगा है हमारा. तो इसी रवि सेज दैट ही हैज डन हिज वर्क. अनदर नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, ही सेज कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा मोहन किल्स अ स्नेक. मोहन kills a snake. Inverted comma. Reporting part. This sentence of reporting part. ये direct speech. He says. Dear student, यह प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट प्रेजेंट टेंस की वर्ब है सेज. ही सेज कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को रिमूव करने के लिए कंडीशन दैट का यूज होता है. दैट मोहन थर्ड पर्सन का ये प्रोनाउन है. मोहन किल्स अ स्नेक. यदि रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट मैं पहले ही ऑलरेडी मैं बता चुका हूं, यदि रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में है तो रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट का सेंटेंस कैन नॉट बी चेंज. दैट मोहन किल्स अ स्नेक. यह आपका है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Change of pronouns. Change of pronouns. Change of pronouns. Pronouns का परिवर्तन. Pronouns का परिवर्तन. Three kinds of pronouns. First person, three kinds of person. First person, second person, third person. We see about first person. We see about first person. There are many words under first person. First person. I, we. Second person. You, though. This word of poetry word. Third person. He, she, it, they, other name of any things. Pronouns change करने के लिए there is a structure, there is a good structure. I have already told you in previous class. SON upon 1, 2, 3. SON by 1, 2, 3. 1 means first person. 1 means first person. 2 means second person. 3 means third person. If any pronouns are first person, it can be changed according to subject. Second person according to object. Third person no change. Third person no change. Besides of these, matters, I will impart you in another video. Note the point. Prepare your notebook in your copy through this channel. Thank you.